In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do captions in DaVinci Resolve. We will build simple, clean subtitles directly on your timeline so they stay locked to your edit and are easy to adjust later. To begin, go to the Edit page. At the bottom of DaVinci Resolve, you will see the row of page icons, and Edit is usually the third one from the left. Once you are on the Edit page, you should see your main timeline with video tracks above and audio tracks below. Make sure you can see your video clips on the timeline before you move on. Now, right-click in the empty track area above your video clips on the timeline. This is the blank gray space where a new track would appear, not on top of an existing clip. When you right-click there, a context menu appears next to your cursor, showing options related to tracks. If you do not see that menu, check that you clicked in empty space, not directly on a clip. From that right-click menu, select Add Subtitle Track. DaVinci Resolve instantly creates a new horizontal track labeled Subtitles, usually above your top video track. You will see an empty lane waiting for caption clips. This track is special because anything placed here is treated as subtitle text rather than regular video. Next up, right-click on the new subtitle track or use the inspector panel on the right side. Then click Create Caption. If you right-click on the track area, the menu will include the Create Caption option. If you prefer the inspector, first click once on the subtitle track area so it is highlighted, then look at the inspector on the right for the same button. As soon as you choose Create Caption, a small subtitle clip appears on the subtitle track, and its settings show up in the inspector. With that ready, type your text into the caption box in the inspector and adjust the clip edges on the timeline to match your audio timing. In the inspector, you will see a field labeled Caption with your text cursor already active. Type exactly what is being said in that part of the video. Watch the preview viewer as you play, and confirm the words appear at the bottom of the image, then move back to the subtitle clip on the timeline. Drag the left or right edge of the clip so it starts when the words begin and ends when the words finish. The subtitle will only appear while the playhead is inside that clip, so a quick playback will confirm that the timing feels natural. After you finish that line, click Add New in the inspector to create the next caption further down the timeline. DaVinci Resolve adds another subtitle clip after the previous one on the same subtitle track, and it becomes selected automatically. Type the next line of dialogue in the caption box, then trim this new clip so it lines up with the next spoken phrase. A helpful habit is to overlap captions by a tiny amount so viewers do not miss words during quick cuts. You have now created a full subtitle track in DaVinci Resolve with captions that follow your dialogue across the timeline. If this helped you get clear captions onto your edit, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more Resolve tips.